Good morning, everyone. My name is Carlos Ferreira and I study social communication. Today, I am going to talk about connectors, comparative adjective, and superlative adjective. First, I will explain two types of connection, additional and contrast. Additional. Additional connector help us and more information. Some common addition connectors are and also in addition, moreover. For example, I like English and I also like mathematics. Contrast. Contrast connection show difference between two ideas. Some common contrast connectors are but, however, although. For example, I like coffee but I don't like tea. Comparative adjectives. Now let's talk about comparative adjectives. We use comparative adjective to compare two people or two things. Structure. Short adjective, more air, more than. Example, my car is faster than your car. For long adjectives, more plus adjective plus than. Example, English is more interesting than history. Superlative adjectives. Finally, superlative adjectives describe the highest or lowest ranking in a group. Structure. The plus short adjective plus s. Example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain. For long adjective, the most plus adjective, for example, this is the most beautiful city. In conclusion, connectors help us organize our ideas. Comparative adjectives compare two things and superlative adjectives show the highest degree. Thank you very much for your attention.